Hello everyone, on this video I'm gonna show how you can set up a fast digital output to work as a PWM generator. So the first thing you need to do is go to the integrated I/O and select our fast outputs tab. And here you can select the 4 fast digital outputs available on your PLC, on our Nexto Xpress PLC. So let's say that I want my fast output key 14 to work as a PWM generator. So I can select PWM function to this digital output. Now that I have my fast output set up as a PWM, I can go to my user PRD and I can set up my PWM using a function block. So I'm gonna drag a box to a new network and I can call a function block called PWM and declare a variable for this function block. Okay, I'm gonna set this function blocks to be always enabled. So I'm gonna write in a constant true on the enable parameter. And the fast output, we set up the Q14 digital output. So to call this fast output, we need to call by its structure, which is fast outputs dot Q14. You can set up the frequency and you can go with this frequency up to 200 kilohertz. Let's say I want to work with pulses in 1 kilohertz. Okay, so 1000 hertz, and using this variable we can control the duty cycle. Okay, I'm gonna just delete the interrogation marks on the outputs and I'm gonna load this program inside of my PLC. Okay, so now I downloaded the program to my PLC. I'm gonna change to the remote and now I can change the duty cycle of my PWM just by changing the value of my duty cycle variable.